today. We're celebrating Saga's birthday. Hi. And Saga's Swedish. So naturally we're going to Ikea. We didn't plan to go to Ikea, but we are going to Ikea. So
It's Midsommer.
it's Midsummer. I'm sure Saga will explain to us what Midsummer is later. It's the day after Midsummer. It's also the day before your birthday. So we're really cheating anyway. So we're gonna go celebrate Midsummer. Apparently we're gonna dance around the pole. I'm going to Ikea. We're leaving. Hello everyone. Hi.
Hi guys!
Have you been to Korean Ikea before?
We're matching today. You can't see, but we're matching. 내가 찍어줄게. 좋아. 이거. 보여?
We have to go to the street. Saga, what's Midsummer? What are we celebrating?
It's kind of a festival to celebrate, like, getting the crops to grow. You hope for a good year. And you naturally dance around like frogs around the maple pole.
I'm very excited. How old are you tomorrow?
21.
21. Wow, you can drink in America. Saga and Tajong have abandoned us. They're going really fast and they never look back. They never look back. We've been walking for so long. The road's really busy, so I'm screaming. I don't know where Ikea is. We're just following Saga. Are we here? Yeah. Welcome to IKEA!
What?
You have to join the IKEA family to get to go have fun. We received this at entry. Two things we have to do to fill out the stamp card. We get either free ice cream or free drink. Thanks, IKEA.
We have to make it.
어. 감사합니다. 어떤 딩켓. 감사합니다.
hade en upplevelse med
말하지 않았어 갑자기 우리. 너무 작게 먹다?
두개 연결, 같이 How was this experience for you?
Very fun.
Saga, does this look like Midsummer in Sweden?
No.
So what's different? Do you make flower crowns?
They're doing their best, but it would be nice if it was like real flowers, you know?
Real flowers attract bees. What does Ikea mean in Swedish? Is it furniture? Does it mean nothing? Is it just a name?
I think it's just a name.
Interesting.
You wanna dance the frog dance with me?
I'll dance it with you.
Few moments later.
잘 찍고 있지?
I think we did good. Alright, so they want someone to take a picture of us all together, but they're too shy to actually ask people. Here. Oh, they just found somebody. Do we look pretty? Did he take good pictures?
야, 진짜. 괜찮아.
괜찮아? I don't want to win anything.
그 안에 던져. 근데 해줄 벗어봐, 빼봐. 당겨.
You could win that pet.
그죠?
Yeah, but we already using chance.
Because we used our stamp on getting a flower crown, we weren't allowed to actually play this, but he let me play it without winning anything. So I didn't win anything, but I just wanted to throw the thing over.
아니 괜찮아. 조심해.
둘, 셋.
여기 둘게요. 그래? 다 먹어야지.
Bubblegum ice cream. I don't like bubblegum ice cream.
지안 뭐 샀어?
나 이거.
Elderflower syrup.
그리고 vegan berry.
And that. Wow.
Now that we celebrated Midsummer, let's go celebrate Saga's birthday!
안녕. She's going this way too.
We're looking for food now.
We found a place.
We're in the bus waiting room because we like AC. And there's a screen that tells you when the buses are arriving.
난 이거 보고 봐.
아니, no. You try it.
마스크를 착용하세요.
I've actually never been to Gangnam beyond Coex. Like I just go to Coex and then I go back home. This is interesting. There's a lot of people.
Where are we going?
We're going to there.
They don't have a seat for us, so we have to put our name down. It's our turn! It's our turn! It's our turn! Let's hope it's on the terrace. I have a mocktail. I love my virgin mojito. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed. Happy birthday, Saga. Thank you. Subscribe if you like, leave a comment. Bye.
If you've enjoyed this content, then please subscribe to my channel, give it a like, and leave a comment below. You can also follow me on TikTok and Instagram.
I wasn't recording. I just look stupid. We came to Han River because obviously it's Saga's birthday and she wanted to come to Han River, have some drinks, so we're having drinks. I don't drink alcohol, so I have banana uyu. It's really busy. It's Saturday night after all, so make sure to keep your masks on when you're not drinking.